Okay, so right now I will be showing you guys how does our apps will be working throughout your phones. So this is our main UI or main interfaces that we will see when you open our apps. This is the logo of our project, which is TNT, or the full name is the Travel and Transportations. Next, we will be holding the forward button. This is show you guys the interface which you need to feel where did you guys came from and where did you guys want to go. You also need to select the date that needed to be choose in order for you to choose the transportation that you want or you want to go to travel. So next the return date, which is optional whether you want to see whether you want to set the return date or not. So next, after you've been filling up all of these informations, so this will be looking like this, and then you will be holding the search button, and then you need to choose from the four different types of transportation, which is bus, train, car, and plane. So as for example, if you pick up the bus, okay, they will be showing you guys the available option of the bus, which is from a lot of brands that have been committing with us, and also the price and also the time of the departure of the bus itself. So as an example, if you want to pick the bus and you pick the bus, you pick your seats, it will show you the details of the passengers that you were sitting right next to you, whether it's a male or female, and also the name of them. And then after you pick up the seats, it will show you guys the payment method that can be used, whether you can use your RHB bank or also other FPX types of online banking transfers. So next we will be moving on towards the other option, which is the train. So as for the train, after we choose the place that we want to depart and also the place that we want to arrive, it will show you guys the available options of the train itself. As an example, in these cases, this is a Gold 9420, which is only have another 12 seats, and also will also include some informations of the durations of the transportation itself, and also the price of the train. And then when you pick the train itself, it will show you guys the available seats that they have inside those coach. So when you pick up the seat that you want, and beside it, they will also show you guys the gender of the passengers that's sitting right next to you. And then after you pick up the seats, it will come to the confirmation of seat, whereas you can see the numbers of your seats, and also the prices that you needed to be pay in order for you to book the train. So next you will choose to make payment, where you can choose to make payment throughout the KTM wallet, the credit or international card, the debit card, and also Touch and Go e-wallet. They also support the boost types of payment. So next, moving on, we can also use the car option, which is in this case, we are most frequently using the Grab options. In this kind of in this kind of options, we can see that there are three different types of car will we be providing, which is the first one is the Grab car, the next one is a Grab car 6-seater, and also there's Grab car plus. So this is a different criteria that you can be picking on, whether or upon your desire, which is you want to use 6-seater, you want a bigger space, if you want to like move out your things or whatsoever. It will also show the price that you needed to be paid in order for you to pay those accommodations. So next, when you picking up your accommodations, then you will choose to book the Grab car. In this, it can shows that you are waiting and connecting you with the drivers that are needed for you to wait for the drivers to be accepting the task that you've wanted to them to be picking. Last but not least is the plane options. As for the plane options, there are, after you picking up the departure date and also the departure place and also your arrival place, it will come out to those filtering. After those filtering, it will come out through a few selections where you can choose whether you want it at what time that you want it, the best suitable time for you. So if you choose to buy at the 7 and arriving at 7:50 a.m., you can pick select, and also you can select the seat that you wanted to be seated. This can also be shown the gender or the passenger gender that was sitting right next to you. After you pick up your seats, next is the payment method that you needed to be choose in order for you to book the ticket itself. Okay, last but not least, I will show you on how you can track your accommodation itself. As per example, as for bus, after you have done picking up your tickets and also your done being paid for the bus, when you are riding the bus itself, it will show you guys the location of the bus by using this kind of map. This is our collaboration with map itself, whereas you can see that it is you can see where are you located at, and also where are you standing by. So this will allow you to send an SOS message or emergency message if anything happens towards you in those transportations. Okay, so I guess that's all from our group, and I hope you can understand about TNT itself.